In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy more storage space on your iPhone. So if you're running out of storage, you may need to go and purchase some additional space. Now to do this, first go and load up the settings on your phone, and then you'll need to scroll down and select General. Now click on iPhone Storage, and you'll see at the top here, it will tell you how much storage space is currently being used and how much storage space is available on your device. Now this is the physical storage space that is already built into your phone. So although you can't change this number here, what you can do is you can go and purchase iCloud storage and you can go and save your data to the iCloud instead. So to do this, go back over to the main settings page and click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then select iCloud and you'll need to come down to where it says Save to iCloud and click on this. And just make sure all of these different options are turned on, and that's going to ensure that our data is going to be saved to the iCloud instead. Now if you come back over to the previous window, you could then click on Storage at the top of this page, and this is where you can go and purchase additional storage space. So if you click on Change Storage Plan, you could then select See All Plans, and now you can go and select the amount of storage space that you want to purchase. So you can see there's a range of different plans here, starting from 50 gigabytes all the way up to 12 terabytes. At the moment, I'm currently on the 200 gigabytes plan, and this is just going to be billed to your Apple account every month. So that's how to purchase additional storage on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.